Hi guys! In this video, we are going out of Amsterdam to explore some nearby towns. Let's go! Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we are venturing just outside of Amsterdam to explore some of the most charming and picturesque towns in the Netherlands. Think windmills, cheese, quaint canals, and so much history. We are going to take you through Zaanse Schans, Edam, Volendam and Marken. 4 gems that really showcase the best of Dutch culture and countryside. Let's dive right in. The first town that we are visiting is Zaanse Schans. Zaanse Schans is located just a few kilometers north of Amsterdam. This place is like stepping back in time. It is an open-air museum that is home to a collection of traditional windmills, wooden houses, and workshops. Zaanse Schans gives you that perfect slice of old-school Dutch life, and it is only about 20 minutes north of Amsterdam. It is also famous for its windmills, which were once the heart of Dutch industry. These windmills were used for everything, from grinding spices and oil to pumping water. You can actually go inside to some of them and see how they work. It is pretty fascinating. Next, we are heading to the beautiful town of Edam. The town of Edam is located a few kilometers east of Zaanse Schans. It is world famous for its cheese. This small town feels like something out of a postcard. It is also one of the prettiest spots in the Netherlands, with its quaint canals, cobblestone streets, and adorable little shops. And if you are a fan of cheese, Edam is a must visit. This town is, of course, famous for its Edam cheese. It is a mild, semi-hard cheese with a slightly nutty flavor. And the best part, you can try all kinds of its variations in the local cheese shops here. But I'd recommend going for the classic. Nothing beats the original. The town of Edam is definitely where cobblestone streets whisper stories of shipbuilders, cheese merchants, and centuries-old charm. Last stop, Volendam and Marken. Volendam is a harbor town beside Edam. While Marken is an island located just south of Edam. These two harbor towns is about as picturesque as it gets. What makes them stand out are the traditional Dutch houses. These colorful homes looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. And because they are near the sea, it has a unique, somewhat isolated feel, making it one of the quietest and most peaceful places in the area. Marken used to be a fishing village, and even today, the streets still maintain that serene, isolated vibe. Before, the only way to get here was by boat, but since a causeway was built, it is easier to reach, and now visitors can stroll through its charming streets. This town is definitely a place to slow down, take in the sights, and just soak up the local culture. So, that is the end of our trip to some of the magical towns outside of Amsterdam. Whether you are into history, nature, cheese, or charming little villages, Zaanse Schans, Edam, Volendam, and Marken have something for everyone. They are the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of Amsterdam, and I highly recommend making this trip. Trust me, you will fall in love with the beauty and simplicity of these towns, just like I did. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and hidden gems around the world. See you in the next adventure. Ciao!